In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snagit without showing your face. If you want to record tutorials, walkthroughs, or presentations and keep the focus entirely on your screen, Snagit makes that very easy. The key is simply choosing the right recording settings before you begin, especially turning the webcam off while keeping any other options you want, like microphone audio. Start by opening TechSmith Snagit on your computer. Once Snagit is open, click the capture button to begin setting up your recording. This is where you choose exactly what kind of content you want to create. Next, make sure you select video mode. This is important because Snagit can capture both images and video, and for a screen recording or tutorial, you'll want the video option. After that, choose the area of the screen you want to capture. You can record your full screen or just a specific section, depending on what you're demonstrating. Picking the right capture area helps keep your recording clean and focused. Once your capture area is selected, look at the recording toolbar. This is the most important part if you do not want your face to appear in the video. Find the webcam setting and turn webcam off. That disables your camera feed, so only your screen will be recorded. Then check your microphone setting. If you want to talk through your tutorial, leave microphone on so your voice is included. If you'd rather make a silent recording or add narration later, you can turn the microphone off instead. This gives you flexibility depending on the kind of video you're making. When everything looks right, click record to begin recording your screen. From there, go through your tutorial or presentation as normal. Since the webcam is turned off, you can focus completely on showing the process on screen without worrying about being on camera. This can be especially useful for software demos, internal training, or quick instructional content. When you're done, click stop to end the recording. Snagit will then open the video in Snagit Editor, where you can review everything before saving it. Take a moment to make sure the screen capture looks good and that your audio, if you recorded any, sounds clear. Finally, save or export the recording as an MP4 file. That gives you a standard video format